I just wanted to pop in and talk to you about, let's see, is it starting? I don't know if it's starting. Okay, there we go, I think. Okay, just wanted to pop in and talk to you today about the live event that I did. Facebook is being really picky, so I decided to go live on Zoom. That way you can chat with me, ask questions, and join in, and I can get to know you better. So this is the project we did today. This cute pillow, it's big. Anyway, we made this cute pillow. Check out the close-up here of this product that we used. We did raw edge, and there's a special product that we used in the middle to get this little rosette, and we've also used it along the edges. So when you wash everything, it frays a little bit, and that's kind of the tattered look that we wanted today. Anyway, if you are interested in this pattern, it's not too late. I did the live earlier today, but the recording is downloaded and it will be sent to your email tomorrow around between 3 and 3:30 tomorrow afternoon with a link for tomorrow's Zoom. So I will be going live every day this week through Saturday, so Monday through Saturday. Today is done, but if you join my email list, you will get the patterns for what we do this week, and you'll get a replay of everything. But in order to do that, you have to join my email list. I can't, I'm kind of afraid to post a Zoom link on Facebook. I have 100 seats, so you want to log on early so you don't get bumped off. And if you can't make it, you'll get a replay. So first steps, and I'll put it in below. You go to my website, hotchocolatequiltcompany.com. Wait for the little pop-up. It takes about 4 seconds. There's a pop-up that comes in your bottom corner of your page. Add your email, and tomorrow you will get a link for the 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live Zoom. It is Zoom. You'll get a link. You can go over there. You can participate live. You can watch the replay. And throughout the week, I'll be sending you replays and patterns. And I didn't have a pattern written. Today we made it up on the fly. So I'll write the pattern, and you'll get it sometime this week, and you'll get the replay tomorrow with your invite for tomorrow's Zoom. All right, I hope to see you there. If you're joining me, you may want to tell your friends, get them on the email list as well, and the more the merrier. So come and join me. It'll be a lot of fun this week. You don't want to miss out. At the end of the week, I have a full-size quilt pattern that I've written that I can't wait to share with you, and we'll make that on Saturday. So get on the email list. Can't wait to see you there. All right, bye, you guys.